Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to learn about the modal auxiliary verb would rather. But first, let's start with a quick diagnostic question to see what you already know. Here's a sentence for you to complete. I would rather to the park than stay at home. Go, to go, going. Got your answer? Great! The correct answer is go. So the sentence should be, I would rather go to the park than stay at home. We use would rather to express a preference. It indicates that someone prefers one thing to another thing. For example, I would rather eat at home than go out. She would rather read a book than watch TV. They would rather walk than drive. Notice that after would rather, we use a bare infinitive without to. We don't use would rather with an ing form or a to infinitive. It doesn't change regardless of the subject. Let's see if you've got it. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb. Share your answer with us in the comments below.